Olá, sou Felipe do Brasil.
أحمد من فلسطين.
كوكو هناء de Belgique.
سلام باسل من فلسطين.
Welcome to Ibiza.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, MC Pauma. Listen up, still coming live direct from, that is I should say, Ibiza town in Portsmouth, and right there is my hostel where I'm living at. And guess what, right now, today is another beautiful beach day, and I've got amazing, lovely, wonderful lady with me again. I have the beautiful one and only
Sonia.
Sonia. Nice. Sonia, where are you from?
I'm from Leeds. I'm here for 7 days only.
7 days.
And today we're going to the beach. If you want to have an amazing holiday in the sunshine with beautiful skies, clear blue sea, freezing cold drink, come to Ibiza.
You've had it, come to Ibiza, you want to enjoy the island, you want crystal blue water skies, I mean literally you want to get on board cruise parties, you want to see the nightlife. Down Ibiza is the place. So what would you recommend besides that? How do you find it? Accommodation, pricing when it comes to food as well? Is it, what's the budget like?
It's okay. I mean, if you want to go really budget, I would say go to somewhere like Magaluf. But I mean, Ibiza is just pure quality. I'm currently staying in Amistad Hostel. It's only around 30 or 40 euros a night. If you do want a private room, however, it'll cost you around 150 euros. So if you're on a budget, stay in the shared accommodation. I'm staying in a 6-bed dorm. Now you might think, what? How can you share a room with somebody? But guess what? That's how I met this guy, and he's really cool. So get yourself to Amistad if you want to be on a budget. Price of accommodation is absolutely fine, really. It's completely worth the money.
Yeah, so if you're watching this video, I should say, whatever you're catching it from, normally the area we're in right now, the part of the island is called St. Anthony, Portsmouth, and basically it's dominated by the English. So if you're from Scotland, Wales, England, definitely if you want to feel easy, enjoy the island, St. Anthony, Portsmouth is the place to be. Italian, Spanish, they're on the other side of the island, which is Ibiza. So basically get to know which ports you're coming to, what nights you want to do as well. In the next videos I'll be taking you through how the night is down here, the nightlife down in Ibiza. Crazy night. Tell me about the nightlife.
Oh well, where do I start? So the first day I got here, I went to DC10. Yesterday I went to Paradise, the pool party, and the day before yesterday I went to Pasha.
How was DC10 like?
DC10 was okay. I mean, if you're more of a hardcore techno raver and you want to just be skanking all night, then DC10's the place to be. Pasha is more kind of nice, chilled. It attracts a bit of an older crowd. And then the pool party yesterday. Oof, gosh, you've got
the pool party as Paradise is a crazy night. Wednesdays, crazy night. Crazy night.
It's something out of a movie. I just want to jump in and give you a top tip actually, because I know I was talking about budget earlier, and right now with COVID and recessions and everything that's happening in the world, I know you probably want to save money. So use the bus. Do not use taxis. I've learnt this. So it's cost me €2.90 for a half an hour bus journey. You just go to the bus station, book your ticket, really easy. If I was to get a taxi, it would have cost me €30. So use the bus, guys.
The bus is the way to go. Taxi, pretty much expensive. There's no Uber here as well. So if you come to the island, forget about Uber. The taxi will definitely reach you everywhere. We've got the bus as well that moves around the island. It's about $250, right? $250, $260, isn't it?
Yep, $2.90.
$2.90. All right. So wherever you go, whatever stop you make, it's just $2.90, irrespective of the distance. Away from that, yeah, we're still talking about the nights down in Ibiza. So Pasha, we've talked about DC10 as well.
Yeah, today
we've talked about the pool party at Paradise as well. Crazy.
Today we've got Calvin Harris at Ushuaia during the day.
Very expensive. It's €80, €70, right?
Yeah, it's €80 I think, and it might even be more on the door. That's another thing. Get your tickets early wherever you go, because when you do get to the club, the price is always higher. Yesterday I went to Paradise. It was 25 if you pre.
I did a good job. I gave you a nice mad, isn't it?
Yeah, he recommended it to me, and I had to thank him because it was such a cool night. It was the venue is like something out of a movie. So when you first walk in there, you're pretty blown away. I mean, I thought I was Pablo Escobar.
So guys, basically we're splitting down for you, giving you whatever is happening down in Ibiza 2022, splitting down the prices on accommodation, on the nightlife as well, the food. Yesterday we ate, what did you have yesterday? We had, you had I had kala salada, which is basically some chicken curry. It's like basically a wrap, right? What did you have? Chicken curry? What did you have?
I had green Thai chicken curry.
Green Thai chicken curry. And how much did that cost?
I think
it was about 15, isn't it?
15 euros, yeah.
15
so
euros.
There is actually, I want to give a shout out to a restaurant called Schwanina.
Schwanina.
Means unique. And
it's an Italian restaurant, right?
Yeah, it's only been open for about 2 months. But this place has a pasta lab where they can make fresh home-cooked pasta, and everything on the menu is pasta-based. So you've got ravioli, you've got tagliatelle, you've got spaghetti carbonara for the people who are not too adventurous. But yeah, absolutely fresh. I had the black squid ink pasta, and it was with clams, and it was really, really nice. But it is kind of pricey. It came to about 25 euros for one dish. But they did give me a free glass of wine, so thumbs up for that.
Thumbs up, thumbs up. What's the name again? We'll drop the link in the description. Nuenina. Guys, if you're watching from Nuenina, perhaps you need to contact us. We could do some, brand ambassading for them, right? We could do sales for them, correct?
Yeah, absolutely.
Fantastic. So what else do we touch? So we've talked about accommodation, hotels, hostels. We've talked about the nightlife. We've talked about the food as well. Tell me about the people. How do you find the people?
I was just going to say, mention the people.
How do you find the people?
They're the best bit about it. If there was no people around, then, I mean, you'd be bored,
What's good about them?
Well, I think the best thing, especially me travelling alone, is the fact that you get to meet such a diverse range of different personalities, all unique individuals from all over the world. Now, if you can connect with people from all over the world and go global, you become very wise as an individual, because you learn so much. And that's the best thing.
So, in terms of culture, how did you find any people that you interacted with culture-wise?
Yeah, I've met people from...
Well, we'll say this island is, the part of the island is dominated by the English people. However, we still have different people coming from different, backgrounds, and you'll find them still on the island, right? But
yeah.
English is the main language that is used on this other side of the island, Saint Anthony.
Yeah.
And as I said, most of the island is dominated by people from England, Wales, from Scotland, from the US as well. Lots of them. Nice. So the people are nice.
Yeah, absolutely.
Chill, laid back.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Gorgeous people as well. Nice. So yes, so we're heading down to a beach that is called Cala Gracionetta. Beautiful. And yeah, we're gonna have a good time. We'll show you definitely how the beach looks like. We'll perhaps do a beach walk video as well. We plan to do a dance video at the beach as well, isn't it?
Oh well, you heard it here first.
Tell me about the song. What song do you think should be rhyming on that?
I think we're going to go with an Afrobeat style music, because
Afrobeat.
I really I want to put some rhythm in, and when the sun is shining on you, you want something a bit poppy, don't you?
Anyways, guys, we'll see you soon. For now, come with us, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed as well, make sure that you share this video as much as you can. Like the video, comment on the video. Let me know what you want to see down from Ibiza here, and all that will be coming live on your screen. See you in the next bit.
Olá, sou Felipe do Brasil.
أحمد من فلسطين.
كوكو هناء de Belgique.
سلام باسل من فلسطين.
Welcome to Ibiza!
Guys, we got a man here over here. This is insane, man. MC Pauma.
MC Pauma.
You guys find this?
MC Pauma.
Do you know what it is?
MC Pauma. MC Pauma.
MC Pauma. We get a gentleman over here.
Pro. Pra papa.